Hello all. So I'm ready with my new demo, which is home automation system. So basically in this demo what I have done is I've connected a temperature sensor and a buzzer and LCD display. So basically in the normal condition, the whatever temperature sensor reads the temperature of the room, it displays it on the LCD, and if the temperature goes above some threshold value, what it does, it starts beeping the buzzer, and on the LCD it displays that decrease the temperature, right? So this kind of thing can be used in a home automation system where buzzer will start buzzing if it goes above some threshold value. So first I will show you my demo setup. Okay, so if you see this, the LCD, it is showing temperature under control. It is showing the temperature value, right? This is the temperature sensor and this is the buzzer which is connected on Arduino board. So I will go through the code not in detail because in my previous YouTube video I have explained already in my blog. I will go just through the if and else statement. What I am doing is I have given threshold as something 26 degrees C. If it is more than that, it will send a tone to this particular pin, which is buzzer, which I have defined as pin number 6, I think. Yes. In else condition, there won't be any signal sent to the buzzer pin, and it will display the temperature under control. So let's try to increase the temperature. Okay. What I'm doing is I'm just touching this, giving some heat to it, so that the temperature will start increasing. The buzzer keeps on sounding when the temperature goes above 26 degrees centigrade. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also to my blog, which is Arduino Novice at wordpress.com. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.